So it's a beautiful Monday and I am on my way to the office. So it's a must for us to be at the office on Mondays because we get a chance to reflect on what we did the previous week and also plan for the current week. So after working hours, I will continue working on the recognition feature for Nodify. And there's a couple of things that I've integrated over the weekend. If you remember, on the previous episode, I did mention that some of my database queries are a bit slow. So I had to find a tool to improve my database performance and also have like a caching mechanism, and I also made a decision as to do I have to wire up my own WebSockets for real-time updates or just find an existing tool that I can use in order for me to have like real-time events in the web application. So yeah, let me head to the office and see you later. Cheers. I just got back from my 9 to 5 and I have my energy drink over here just to boost my energy so that I can continue working on the recognition feature. So over the weekend, I integrated Prisma Accelerate, which is a global database cache and connection pool that improves database performance. So if you remember very well, on the previous episode, I did mention that some of my database queries are a bit slow. So I had to find a tool to improve my database performance. And after integrating Prisma Accelerate, I saw a huge difference, and all thanks to Prisma for such a wonderful tool. And with regards to WebSockets, I have decided to use Pusher. I don't want to wire up my own WebSockets because that will limit me when scaling. So with Pusher, I want to make use of Pusher private channels, because with public channels, it's not really secure, because if I know your API key, I can access all your data. So with private channels, you authenticate the user on on Pusher. Then whenever you want to send data, you can send it to Pusher after authenticating the user. So in our case, we want to authenticate the user on Pusher. Then when you recognize an employee, we save that data on the database, then also push that data to Pusher, then listen to an event on the client app, then give real-time updates. So this will be useful for real-time updates while recognizing users. So users will get to see all the recognitions in real time, and we will also make use of this pusher tool while implementing notifications. So when we recognize a user, we also want to send a notification that you've been recognized by this user. So this will be very helpful while implementing notifications. So let me start working on the recognition feature. So we just integrating pusher. Then also we need a pagination on the timeline. We don't want to render all the recognitions that we have on an organization, but we want to limit that and um, implement infinity scroll. So when you're scrolling, we'll be giving you like real-time data from the database. So yeah, let me start working on that, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this episode. So cheers. Right, now let's just do a quick demo. So on these two browsers, I have two users that are currently logged in. On my right, I have myself, Ndibuo. On the left, I have Merido. So every time when you recognize user, you want to show that recognition in real time. That's what I was working on. So I will go ahead and recognize myself using this Merido account. So let's go ahead and say uh, thank you for working the real teacher. And let's choose, and first let's give some points. So we are going to give him 5. and after that we can go ahead and recognize. Oh, there we go. Now we have that new recognition, both users in real time. So we want to apply the same with wallet summary and also most recognized employees, well as trending company values. So we want to apply the same. We want to see this data in real time. So I am going to apply this on the background. Then I will give you a demo on the next episode. So yeah, thank you for watching and subscribing, and I will see you on the next episode.